In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change typing language in WhatsApp. By the end, you'll be able to switch your keyboard to another language right inside a chat, so your autocorrect, suggestions, and layout all match the language you want to use. First, open WhatsApp. This can be the mobile app on your phone or tablet. The language change happens through your keyboard, and WhatsApp will use whatever you set there. Next, open any chat to bring up your keyboard. You can choose a one-on-one conversation or a group. What matters is that the keyboard appears at the bottom so you can access its settings. Now look at your keyboard's toolbar and tap the settings icon, usually shown as a little gear. Many popular keyboards place this gear above the keys or inside a small menu on the toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the toolbar or tapping the menu icon on the keyboard to reveal the gear. You're aiming to open your keyboard settings without leaving WhatsApp. Inside the keyboard settings, go to Languages, then tap Add Keyboard. On some keyboards, this may be labeled Add Language, but you're looking for the place where you can add another typing language to your keyboard. This is where the keyboard stores all your active languages and layouts. Choose your preferred language from the list. When prompted, pick a layout that fits how you like to type. Common options include QWERTY, AZERTY, or QWERTZ, and some languages offer multiple regional layouts or script options. Select the one you're most comfortable with. If your keyboard needs to download a small language file for features like autocorrect and suggestions, let it complete. This only happens once per language. When you're done, tap Done to save your choice and return to WhatsApp. To start typing in the new language, hold down the spacebar and swipe to select it, or tap the globe icon on the keyboard. Holding the spacebar usually shows the language names, so you can slide directly to the one you want. Tapping the globe cycles through the languages you've added, and you'll see the language indicator change as you switch. Once selected, your keys, autocorrect, and suggestions will adapt to that language right away. That's it. Open WhatsApp, bring up your keyboard in any chat, use the keyboard's gear to reach languages, add your language and layout, then switch by holding the spacebar and swiping, or by tapping the globe. With this setup, you can move smoothly between languages whenever you need.